Hello guys, good morning. So after ko mag-pray in the morning, what I always do is habang nagbe-breakfast ako, sinasalang ko na yung mga dapat kong labhan sa washing machine. So by this time, I already chose what is colored and what are the color white. So yeah, sinasalang ko na po siya sa machine. So, while I'm having my breakfast, at least may nagagawa pa akong ibang task. And every Saturday is a wash day. So, kapag Sunday, magpapahinga na lang po talaga ako. What I usually wash first is all the uniforms. Enable for me to dry it first and then iron it first while waiting for the other clothes to be dried. And then habang nagpapatuyo ng ibang damit, I am already cleaning the bedroom para multitask tayo, diba? So yeah, good afternoon guys. It is currently around 2:30 in the afternoon and it's Saturday. So from the morning, pinakita ko sa ilang clips ko yung some routine ko. So from the start na nagigising ako. So yeah, kasi every Saturday talaga is Saturday off. But then, since Saturday siya, Saturday, Sunday is my off. And ang ginagawa ko normally every Saturday is gagawa na ako lahat ng mga gawaing bahay. And then after nun, magre-relax ako. Just gonna edit some vlogs. Or kapag dinadamad naman ako, magmo-movie marathon lang ako. There was a time also na magbabasa ako ng books. But then, parang nowadays kasi, I don't have books anymore na pinadala ko na or parang dinispatch ko na when we shifted here kasi nga sobrang madami ng gamit. So, I just finished my lunch. Hindi ko na pinakita sa vlog yung pagbe-prepare ko ng lunch kasi I think sasabihin ko na lang for to my other vlogs kung bakit ganun yung food ko. Actually, my food was just, I'm on diet. Strict diet yung ginagawa ko sa sarili ko kasi I really have to lose weight. Sabi ng doktor ko kasi, actually guys, I have a liver problem. So, i-discuss na natin yun sa ibang vlog. But then, yeah, so I had my lunch and ngayon nag-watch na lang ako ng ilang vlog kasi tinatamad pa ako mag-edit ng vlog ko. I am currently watching, yes, ito po, si Ivana Alawi and si Kamangyan. Ito yung pumunta si Ivana kay Kamangyan. So, this is the vlog of Provincial Plus City Life with Ivana, vlog ni Ivana Alawi. Yeah, and I just opened the window kasi nga, parang nilalamig na ako. So, I've done washing the clothes. Nalinis ko na rin yung buong room. Nakapag-iron na din ako ng mga uniforms. Had my lunch, and kasi talagang ito yung hindi mawawala sa akin guys, tang depressor char. Ito talaga yung hindi mawawala sa akin yung coffee, but then I'm trying to make it less kasi before I was taking coffee like around 4 to 5 times in a day. Pero ngayon, in a short term ng pagda-diet ko, sinama ko siya. So, binawas ko. Parang ngayon, in a day, tinatry ko siya na mag 1 cup of coffee na lang. And I'm trying to gradually avoid it hanggat maaari. Pero, syempre, kumbaga, what I mean, at least hindi na siya araw-araw. Ay, yung panty. Yan, ang pangit. So, yeah, hindi na siya araw-araw, inshallah. One of my friends in the laboratory recommended me for this. This is a Liverade. Kung makikita nyo, kung mapapansin nyo from the Philippines, meron tayong Liverade. Pero dito, I just bought this Himalaya. They said maganda to para sa fatty liver and murang-mura lang siya guys for only 13 dirhams. I took this meds also last time kasi nga may infection ako, but then I finished the course of that medicine na. So, yeah, ayan, may nga ganyang eme-eme kasi nga ako mag-diet. And then, eto, nilagay ko lang siya dito kasi eto yung cholesterol diet sheet from Dr. Sophie. Kasi mataas yung cholesterol ko. So, I just posted it here para re-remind lang ako palagi that I should have to do this, blah, blah, blah. Pahapyawan ko na rin. Just want to thank Dr. Sophie. Thank you so much kasi she really taking care of me. She's really taking care of me in all aspect. Kaya sobrang thankful ako kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ko, alam niyo yun, hindi ko rin naalagaan ng ganito yung sarili ko kasi so yun. So, I'll see later kung ma-update ko pa kayo sa ibang mga gagawin ko. But then, sanisipagin ako because I really want to edit my own vlog. Tingnan po natin. Let's see.
Hi guys, so let's go back to recording. By this time, I am just cleaning my toenails and yeah, so ako po kasi talaga yung naglilinis, nagmamanicure sa sarili ko. So yeah, by this time, I am already editing some vlogs. And marami na rin po ako nakapending na dapat i-edit. So I really have to do this. Yeah, I think this is around 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And I hope I'll finish this so soon.